So how can patents be used as collaterals for startups? They can be used for loans and it's an asset leverage. So patents are intangible but valuable assets that can be pledged as collaterals to secure loans for startup companies. Because they're loans, they are non-dilutive financing mechanism. Patent-based loans can provide capital without diluting ownership, thus preserving founders' equity. They also provide risk mitigation for lenders, and as a result, the interest rate could be reduced. Because the loan size is also flexible with a patent protection. Loans ranging from 2 million to 50 million can be secured based on patents depending on their strength and market dominance and the sales of the company. Remember that any loan depends on the fact that you have sales. Last, patents have market appeal. Patents signal innovation, attracting lenders and future investors in the company.